Storms destroy everything, but this tiny bird builds homes that survive it all. Meet the Baya Weaver, nature's master architect.
He collects grass, but builds something unbelievable. First, he ties a perfect knot, strong enough to hold an entire home.
He weaves, loops, and stitches, creating a hanging fortress in the air.
And then the real test. If she likes it, he wins her heart. Soon, new life begins, safe inside this masterpiece. Rain, wind, storms, this nest survives it all.
A tiny bird with a genius mind. Nature is the greatest engineer.